Hello again, Gr2. How are you? I'm happy I can connect with you again. Today, we will start chapter number 4. In this chapter, we will explore subtraction, and we have to consider subtraction as comparing two numbers or two quantities and finding the difference. In today's lesson, we will learn about fact families and the relationship between subtraction and addition. Today, we are going to look at how numbers are related to each other. All the year we have been practicing adding and subtracting numbers, but today we are going to investigate how addition and subtraction are connected to each other. Open your book, page 64 and page 65. Lesson 91. Apply directions. Turn over two cards and record the numbers in the blue and yellow boxes. Add the numbers together and record the sum in the green box. Complete the 4 number sentences using the 3 numbers. We have here numbers. Our first number is number 6. And the next number is number 4. But we have here a missing number. To find this missing number, we have to add 6 and 4. So 6 plus 4 equals, excellent, 10. So we have here the 3 numbers. The 3 numbers we have here is number 4, 6, and 10. Can you think of an addition problem? Then we can use all the 3 numbers together. And can you think of a subtraction problem? We can use all the 3 numbers together. Of course we can. The first addition is 6 plus 4. Can you add 6 plus 4 together? Of course I can. 6 plus 4 equals, excellent, 10. And 4 plus 6, it's also right, equals 10. And those are the 2 addition problems. And for the subtraction problems, we will say that 10 minus 6 equal, if we had 10 fingers and we want to take away 6 fingers from, the leftover will be, excellent, we will get 4. And 10 minus 4, it's equals, excellent, 6. So we made 2 addition problems and 2 subtraction problems. But what did you notice? 6 plus 4, it's equals 10. And 4 plus 6, it's also equals 10. This means that order don't matter in addition, because 6 plus 4 equals 10. And if I say that 4 plus 6, it's also equal 10. So we will still get the summation of 10. So order doesn't matter when we made a subtraction. But take a look at the subtraction problems. 10 minus 6, it equals 4. But can I say 6 minus 10 equals 4? If you have 6 fingers, can you take away 10 from those 6? I can't, because I don't have enough fingers. So order matters in subtraction. I can take the small number and subtract from it. I always should start with the biggest number. So that helps us to notice that addition and subtraction are related to each other. They are the inverse or opposite of each other. This Three numbers are a part of a family, and mathematicians call them fact families. Repeat that with me, please. Fact families. Okay, let's take another numbers. The next number we will take is, we have here number 5 and number 7. And we already said that if we want to find the missing number, we need to add those two numbers. So 5 plus 7 equals, excellent, 12. So those are our three numbers. Let's make addition sentences. The first addition will be 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7, we already said that equals, excellent, 12. And we said that 7 plus 5 is equal 5 plus 7 because order doesn't matter in addition. So 5 plus 7 equals 7 plus 5 equals 12. Okay, for the subtraction problem, we said that in subtraction order is matters. So I have to start with the biggest number. What is the biggest number I have here in those three? 5, 7, or 12? Of course, 12 is the biggest number here. So I will start with 12. 12 minus 5 equal, what is the missing number? I use here 12 and I use 5. The leftover is 7. So 12 minus 5 equals, excellent, 7. 12 minus 7 equals, excellent, 5. So as we said, remember that when we make addition, it's not matter to use numbers in orders, because 5 plus 7 equal 12 and 7 plus 5 also equal 12, but it's always matter in subtraction. Subtraction order is always matters. We have always to start with the biggest number. The next house we will have number 6 and number 12, and we get the missing number is 18 because 12 plus 6 equals 18. For this house we have number 5 and number 15, and we need to add those two numbers to get the missing number. 15 plus 5 equals, excellent, 20. I will leave those two house for you to practice at home. And let's take the page number 66. Lesson 91, Math Journal, Directions. Reflect on your learning. What is the relationship between addition and subtraction? Use pictures, numbers, or words to show your thinking. We said that there is a relationship between addition and subtractions. Addition and subtractions are related to each other, and they are the inverse or the opposite of each other. So, addition and subtraction are related to each other, and they are the opposite. So, this is the end of my lesson for today. Let me remember you that we have the fact families, and we said fact families are three numbers, and they are related to each other. It doesn't matter order in addition problems. Order doesn't matter in addition, but order is matter in subtraction. In subtraction, we have to start with the biggest, and that's it. Thank you, and see you the next lesson. Bye bye.